Hey everyone, welcome back to English Talks. My name is Sophia.
And I'm Locus. We're really happy you're here today.
Today's episode is going to be super useful because we're talking about one small English word that people use every single day.
Yep, and that word is take.
Tiny word, huge meaning.
Seriously, English speakers use take all the time.
At work, at home, at restaurants, during travel, everywhere.
And honestly, beginners sometimes get confused because take has many meanings.
Exactly. But don't worry, today we're going to explain it naturally through real conversations.
Simple English only, no stress.
So grab your coffee or tea or water.
Or pizza.
Yes, or pizza. And let's practice English together.
All right, Sophia. How's your morning going today?
Pretty good, actually. I woke up late, though.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I wanted to wake up at 7 a.m., but I accidentally slept until 9.
Honestly, sometimes your body just needs rest.
That's what I told myself, too. Then I made coffee and took my time getting ready.
Ah, there it is already.
What?
You just used take.
Oh, wow, I didn't even notice.
Exactly. Native speakers use it naturally without thinking.
So when I said I took my time, what does that mean?
It means you did something slowly and calmly. No rushing.
Right, like I took my time making breakfast.
Perfect example.
Or take your time. There's no hurry.
Exactly. English speakers say that all the time.
That phrase feels warm and friendly, too.
It really does.
Actually, my mom says that a lot when guests visit.
Mine too.
Like if someone is choosing food, she says, take your time.
Yeah, it makes people feel relaxed.
English has a lot of these small, comforting expressions.
Definitely.
So, Locus, what did you do today?
Let me think. I took a walk this morning.
Another take sentence.
Yep. Take a walk. Very common.
People also say take a shower,
Take a break.
take a picture.
Take a seat.
Wow, English really loves this word.
It does.
So when you say take a walk, it simply means go for a walk?
Exactly.
Was it relaxing?
Yeah. Actually, the weather was cool this morning. Not too hot.
That sounds nice.
I walked through a small park near my apartment. Some people were jogging. One old man was feeding birds.
Oh, that sounds peaceful.
It really was. Sometimes I think people need to take more breaks from screens.
Oh, absolutely.
Everybody's always looking at phones now.
Including us.
Including us.
I once tried taking a break from social media for 1 week.
Really? How did that go?
The first 2 days were difficult.
Yeah, your brain keeps reaching for the phone automatically.
Exactly. I kept opening apps without thinking.
That's actually scary.
A little bit, yes, but after a few days, I felt calmer.
Interesting.
I slept better too.
Maybe I should take a break from social media too.
You probably should.
Thanks for the support.
Anytime.
You know another common phrase with take?
What?
Take care.
Oh, yeah. People say that at the end of conversations.
Exactly. Like, all right, Sophia, take care.
And it means stay safe, stay healthy, goodbye.
Right.
I love that expression, honestly. It sounds kind.
It does.
Some English expressions feel emotionally warm.
Definitely.
Like take care, take your time, and take it easy.
Ah, yes. Take it easy. Another super common one.
That means relax, right?
Yep, relax. Don't stress too much.
My friend says that every time I overthink something.
Maybe because you overthink a lot.
Excuse me?
I'm just saying, maybe a little.
Okay, maybe you're right. One time, I spent 40 minutes choosing a movie to watch.
That's painful.
And then I was too tired to watch anything.
That is the most human thing ever.
Do you do that too?
All the time. I open Netflix, scroll for 1 hour, then sleep.
Why are humans like this?
Too many choices, maybe.
Probably.
All right, let's teach another take expression.
Okay.
Take a chance.
Ooh, that's a good one.
It means trying something even if you feel nervous.
Like taking a risk?
Exactly.
Example. I took a chance and applied for the job.
Perfect.
Or take a chance and talk to her.
Nice.
Have you ever taken a big chance in life?
Probably moving to another city years ago.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I didn't know many people there. I felt nervous.
That sounds scary, honestly.
It was, but it helped me grow a lot.
Sometimes good things happen when we take chances.
Definitely.
I think learning English is also taking a chance sometimes.
That's true.
Many learners feel shy speaking English,
Especially beginners.
but the only way to improve is to speak.
Exactly. Don't wait to become perfect first.
Because honestly, nobody speaks perfectly all the time.
Native speakers make mistakes too.
All the time.
Yesterday, I accidentally sent a text message with 3 spelling mistakes.
Only 3? Impressive.
Thank you.
My phone changes words automatically sometimes.
Autocorrect creates chaos.
Seriously, one time I tried typing "I'm running late."
Okay.
My phone changed it to "I'm running potato."
What does that even mean?
I don't know.
That sounds like a fitness exercise.
Today we're running potatoes for 30 minutes. The other person replied, "Good luck with the potato."
That's hilarious.
Honestly, funny mistakes help people remember English sometimes.
That's true, actually.
Okay, let's continue. Another common phrase is take notes.
Very useful for students.
Yep, take notes means writing important information.
Like during class or meetings.
Did you take notes in school?
Honestly, not very good notes.
Same. Mine looked terrible.
My notebook was chaos.
Random words everywhere.
Half sentences, bad handwriting.
Coffee stains.
Exactly.
But there was always that one student with perfect, colorful notes.
Oh, yes, the organized student.
Different pen colors, beautiful handwriting.
Sticky notes everywhere.
Honestly, impressive.
Very impressive.
I once borrowed notes from a classmate, and honestly, it looked like a printed book.
Meanwhile, my notes looked like ancient treasure maps.
Same.
All right, here's another important one. Take responsibility.
That's a more serious expression.
Yeah, it means accepting your mistakes or duties.
Example, he took responsibility for the problem.
Exactly.
I think that's an important life skill, honestly.
Very important.
Some people blame others for everything,
But mature people take responsibility.
even when it's uncomfortable.
Exactly.
Have you ever made a mistake at work?
Oh, absolutely.
Many times.
Same here.
Once I accidentally emailed the wrong document to my boss.
Oof.
Yeah, my heart stopped for a second.
What happened?
Luckily, my boss was understanding, but I immediately took responsibility and apologized.
That's the best thing you can do, honestly.
Definitely better than pretending nothing happened.
True.
You know another phrase people use daily?
Which one?
Take someone seriously.
Ah, yes, very common.
If you take someone seriously, you respect their words or opinions.
Example, people didn't take him seriously at first.
Perfect.
Or, you should take your health seriously.
That's a good example, actually.
Thanks.
I think adults start taking health more seriously with age.
Definitely. When you're younger, you feel invincible.
Exactly. Then suddenly your back hurts for no reason.
Yes.
You sleep in a weird position and suddenly your neck stops working?
Human bodies are dramatic, honestly.
Very dramatic.
Yesterday I sneezed and somehow hurt my shoulder.
How?
I wish I knew. That sounds impossible. And yet, it happened.
Adulthood is strange.
Very strange.
Okay, let's teach another useful expression. Take part.
Oh, yeah. That means join an activity.
Exactly. Like, she took part in the competition.
Or many students took part in the event.
Perfect. Did you take part in school activities growing up?
Sometimes. Mostly sports.
Really? Which sports?
Basketball mainly.
Were you good?
Average.
That means no. Okay, maybe slightly below average.
Honest answer. I respect it.
What about you?
I took part in music activities more.
Oh, really?
Yeah, choir, singing events, little performances.
That's cool, actually.
I was always nervous, though.
Stage fear?
Very bad stage fear.
But you still performed?
Yeah, I think confidence grows slowly.
That's true.
Most confident people were nervous at first, too.
Definitely.
Even speaking English gets easier with practice.
Exactly. The more you speak, the more natural it feels.
All right, another expression.
Let's do it.
Take off.
Oh, yes. This one has multiple meanings.
One meaning is when airplanes leave the ground.
Like, the plane took off at 8 p.m.
Exactly.
Another meaning is removing clothes.
Right. Take off your shoes before entering.
And another meaning is becoming successful quickly.
Example, her business really took off.
Perfect.
English really makes one word do many jobs.
It really does.
Sometimes English feels lazy.
What do you mean?
Like, instead of creating new words, English just says, yes, let's use take again.
Honestly, that's kind of accurate.
Another common one is take over.
Ah, yes. That means gain control.
Exactly. Example, she took over the project.
Or technology is taking over our lives.
Honestly, true.
Too true.
People panic when Wi-Fi stops working for 5 minutes.
Including me, honestly.
Same.
The router becomes the most important object in the house suddenly.
Everybody starts walking around like confused scientists.
Did you restart it?
Maybe the internet company hates us. All right, here's another phrase learners hear often. Take it personally.
Oh, yes. Important expression.
It means feeling emotionally hurt by something.
Example?
Don't take it personally.
People say that during criticism sometimes.
Exactly.
Are you someone who takes things personally?
Sometimes. Less now than before, though.
Same. I used to overthink everything people said.
Me too, honestly.
Growing older helps a little.
Yeah. You realize everybody has their own stress and problems.
Exactly. Not everything is about you.
That realization is peaceful, honestly.
Very peaceful.
Okay, Sophia. Let's imagine real daily situations using take.
Sounds good?
Scenario 1. Restaurant.
Okay.
Waiter says, "Are you ready to order?"
And I say, I need a few more minutes. I'm still taking a look at the menu.
Perfect. Very natural.
Your turn.
I'll take the chicken sandwich and a coffee.
Nice. That's extremely common.
Native speakers say "I'll take" all the time in restaurants.
Much more natural than saying I want.
Exactly.
Okay, next scenario, work.
All right.
Can you take this document to the manager?
Good one.
Or, I need to take a day off next week.
Very common workplace English.
Okay, travel situation.
Let's take a taxi instead of walking.
Nice.
Or please take me to the airport.
Perfect.
Honestly, take is everywhere in spoken English.
It really is.
The good news is learners don't need to memorize every meaning immediately.
Right. Learn slowly through real situations.
That's the best method, honestly.
Listen to conversations. Watch shows. Practice speaking naturally.
And don't panic when one word has many meanings.
English does that constantly.
Constantly.
Sometimes context explains everything.
Exactly.
Before we finish, let's quickly review some expressions we learned today.
All right?
Take your time.
Don't rush.
Take a break.
Rest for a little while.
Take care.
Stay safe and healthy.
Take a chance.
Try something brave or risky.
Take notes.
Write important information.
Take responsibility.
Accept your mistakes or duties.
Take it easy.
Relax.
Take part.
Join an activity.
Take off.
Leave the ground, remove clothing, or become successful quickly.
See? One small word, so many useful meanings.
That's why learning through conversation is powerful.
Because you remember emotions and situations, not only grammar rules.
Exactly.
Honestly, today's conversation felt really fun.
It did. And now I'm noticing the word take everywhere in my brain.
Same, honestly.
We probably said take 500 times today.
Minimum. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for spending time with us today on English Talks.
We hope this conversation helped you understand how native speakers use take naturally in daily life. And remember,
Don't worry about perfect English. Just keep listening, practicing, and speaking slowly.
small progress every day becomes big progress later.
Exactly.
Take care, everyone.
And take your time while learning English.
We'll see you in the next episode of English Talks.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.